Now we have a cubic function. So we do the same thing. We look for all the points that are 0 and 1 first. So here's where the original graph is 0. Here's the original graph is 0. Here, careful with the scale, is where original graph is equal to 1. Between 0 and 1, your square root graph will be above. After, it will be below. So here, my graph is going to be above. Here, it's going to be above. And after that, it's going to be below. For this section, the first section that's above, as long as your graph never goes above 1, this would be too high above. Again, when it's above, it's still going to stay between 0 and 1. So that green part would be too high. We should get rid of it. But the rules stay the same. You're going to find out where it's equal to 0 and where it's equal to 1. And then you're going to look where it's bigger than 1. It's going to be below your original graph. Where it's between 0 and 1, it's going to be above your original graph. State the domain and range for this one. While your domain, the x values have to be bigger than or equal to -1. And your range, y values are going to be bigger than or equal to 0. So can you see how now we could put any graph inside of a square root and you could be asked to graph it? Okay? Because you can follow these same steps of where it's equal to 0, where it's equal to 1, where the graph is slightly above and where the graph is going to be below for each and every one of them. Okay, questions for practice with this one are 10 and 12. So I'll give you 5 minutes on those as well.